A German-founded steel dust recycling factory has recently been put into operation in central China's Henan province. The factory, with a total investment of 350 million yuan, is the 23rd factory owned by Befasa, an industry leader in steel dust recycling and aluminum salt slags recycling. In 2019, Befasa started to build the factory in Changge City after investigation and site selection.
We need to choose an area in China with two characteristics. On the one hand, a strong application of the environmental regulation, which is the case in Henan, and on the other hand, a strong production of steel in residues. And on top of that, Henan is very well located in the center of the country, so we can have the possibility to treat residues for many steel makers in all China.
我们是专门处置钢铁废物和铝废物的这样的一个公司，许昌长葛大洲这样一个再生金属循环产业园，完美的契合了我们Befasa对于循环经济、废弃物再利用这样一个概念。
After the project is put into operation, 110,000 tons of steelmaking dust can be recovered every year, from which 40,000 tons of zinc oxide can be extracted, with an annual output value of about 400 million yuan.